Welcome to my channel, Solid Trades. Ali here. Those of you guys don't know me or new into this channel, my name is Ali. I have been trading for about roughly 4 years and I've now spent over 10,000 hours looking at charts. That being said, in this video I'm going to be dissecting the AMC daily chart and looking at the key prices for support and resistance levels that will basically help us to get to the best possible prices to buy or sell. Now, in order to understand, first what we need to know is understand what actually even happened and why this all happened in the first place. In order to know that, we need to first see why or when actually AMC really started to go and getting short squeezed. And the reason why was because of the break of this key resistance level 1460. If you look at the chart here, 1460, if I draw a line, this was a clear resistance level at this area. Okay, and once it broke, it went to the next resistance level, which was this area around 2050. But the main reason why it all started happening was this short squeeze was caused after the key break area of level of 1460. And we were watching it in the chat. If you guys are in the chat, I clearly mentioned if 460 breaks is going to be a short squeeze. Now, the next level, let's say if you're in a trade, the next level you want to be looking at where to take profits would be the next resistance level, which was about $20.50. But as you can see, clearly it squeezed that level as well. So that once that break, the 2050 level break, it clearly went and got short squeezed even more. And where did it go to? About $36. 33 was actually the all-time high. So if you go back a few years back in AMC, $33 was the all-time high of AMC, and actually kind of broke and it came back down. So now it has made a new level of $36, which is the all-time key level. Okay, one more thing now we have after that is this the new support that was created just last week, the last trading day, which was $24. So these are the levels that we have. Okay, clear-cut levels: 1460, 2050, 24, and 36. So now based on that, we can decide our next trading plan, if you're in it or if you're already in it or if you're not in it. It depends. Everybody's in a different situation. So let's say that we're not in this trade right now. So what would be our next trade? Where would we take? Because I know a lot of people, including me, getting FOMO, fear of missing out. I mean, we took this trade. I took this 14 and I got out at 20, but clearly I missed a huge move. But that's a different story. What I want to talk about here is what would be the next levels to look for. So now the next key level, the basic level, would be 1460 level. 1460 level is the main level where the real short squeeze happened. Okay, however, we're clearly very far away from this area, right? So the next key level, I think around this would be 24 area. Okay, but I do think that we see further down, which is the main area, about $20. $20 is also a whole number, so it's possible. Most likely what could happen is that the stock will come down more and find support here. Once it starts to find support here and then go, that will be your clue to getting around this area. Okay, but it's possible that it could come down if AMC could not go above anymore and starts to like lag. Okay, then it will break this level and come down further to the next support level, which is this one. If here it comes, I am definitely ready to buy here. I'm going to be buying here heavy around this area, because this is the main area where actually the whole short squeeze started. Okay, so this is the main area. Second area is 2050. I would not personally buy and swing trade, especially day trading is fine. If you see a good setup forming on the 1 minute chart or the smaller time frame, sure, you can day trade. But if you're looking to buy AMC, I would not personally buy here, even if it goes up further to the moon, which by the way, it already did go to the moon. So if you're holding and thinking, oh my god, it's going to go to the moon, it already did go to the moon. So you must take profits, some of your profits for sure. But I do think that it has a lot of potential because it's just so strong, right? AMC is just so strong, so it does have a lot of potential. Also, once this level breaks, then next level will be around $40. Then we have 45, then we have 50 level, because they're whole numbers. So when the stock breaks out new levels or new highs, which it has never ever traded before, most likely it's going to look at the whole numbers. That's where the stocks normally find resistance. For example, if you look here, 1460, which is about $15, right? 2050 is about $20, right? It's not like exactly to the T, but about, you know, whole number, so close to whole number. So you see the high is 36, so close to 35, right? So we're gonna see on 40, 41 or something like 40, 40, 45, 46, 47, you know, like 50, 51 or 49. You see resistance close or to the whole numbers. Okay, so that will be our next, if you want to predict the prices. Once it breaks this key level, which is about 36, then we're going to see whole numbers. So just to recap, talking about the key levels are, in my opinion, about $20-$50, and then 1460. I don't think we're gonna see all the way down, but if it does, you just gotta be prepared. I do think this is a really it's the best area to get in if you can get in. If not, then maybe this $20-$50 is the key area. All right, guys. Now, if you guys are in it already, I would suggest that you must take profits already here, because we have seen a really big candle. It could have easily go down and then do this, right? So you don't want to be holding it. You know, you want to definitely take profits. And if it does go over, you keep like 25% of a position and let it go and see how far it can go and take profits at whole number levels. All right, guys. So that's why I want to do a quick video. I hope you guys helps, and I'll see you guys again.